You've heard the expression before, never assume. Well, never assume all walls in a tactical situation are going to be straight, or that two walls come together at a 90-degree angle, because some walls may in fact be curved. So then, how do you pie a corner? Or, more accurately, how do you pie a curve? Since finding curved walls is no easy task, how do you learn how to do it with airsoft guns in a training room or on a live-fire pistol range? Or maybe you're just tired of doing the same old thing and you want something new to do on the range. Well, you can take one of my original range training ideas and create your own curved wall right on the range. Here's how you do it. Using any type of target stands, you get a large piece of cardboard, paint some bricks or stones on it for a little realism, and then staple it to two sticks. A large portion of the cardboard will stick out to one side. Then you make another one, and then another one, and as many as you think you need to make your curve. Using this top view of a gun range, you'll place the target downrange, the one you'll be shooting at. Then, the first wall will be placed where the shooter will have to take his or her shot. Then the next wall will be placed like this, then the third, and then the fourth, and so on until you have your curved wall on the live fire range, or again in an airsoft training room. You can overlap the walls as shown here, or you can use butcher paper or cloth or some other material and staple it to the sticks to form the seamless curved wall. The shooter will start at one end of the wall, pie the curve, just like you would pieing a corner, until he or she positively identifies the target. Now, you could have scenarios where they're giving orders or they engage with live fire. Using the same pie the corner techniques you'd use on a 90-degree corner, that is to say, leaning over the imaginary line radiating from the edge of the wall, and leading with the upper body as you are taking side steps around, the shooter works his or her way around the continuous corner, the curve, until target engagement. Of course, if things get too hot, that is to say the hostile is shooting back in real life, all the shooter has to do is straighten up vertically and take a retreating step back, and he or she is out of the line of sight of the hostile's fire. Now, I'm going to show you some video footage of two of my students pieing the curved wall that I made, and I set it up in mere minutes so you can see exactly how it's done. Go! Keep going, keep going, keep going. Go around the corner. When you see him, engage him. Go. Whether you're out shooting by yourself or you're a firearms instructor using my idea, you must use standard law enforcement, military, or civilian range procedures to keep safe during training. Until the next lesson, be a hard target.
If you're going to evacuate someone under fire like a professional bodyguard does, be it a Tier 1 principal or possibly someone you love, then on day 18, you'll learn the correct way to do it. In Jim Wagner's book, Warrior Wisdom in 1 month, you'll learn a different tactical skill each day of the month, and it will take only minutes to read. Be a hard target. Order your copy now.
Would you like to be taught personally by Jim Wagner? Do you need some tactical questions answered, or need some advice about security? Are you looking to be instructor certified for a particular course or courses? Now you can with private online training or consultation directly with Jim. Go to this webpage for booking reservation information. Be a hard target.